to Bears Beat, your source for academic and athletic news from Harcum College, with an edition all about Harcum's historic murals. But first, your Harcum headlines. Inspired by the effort to restore dozens of colorful murals created from the 1960s to the 1980s and reflecting the events of those eras, Harcum has launched the Murals Mosaic Community Art Project. Any would-be artist of any age or background can receive a 10 by 10 blank canvas and create their artistic statement about today's politics, pop culture, anything goes. Visit the homepage of the Harcum website to request your square today. Up next, high school seniors with artistic gifts are invited to complete a square and be part of the Murals Mosaic Project 2 and win a scholarship to attend Harcum College. At least $9,000 scholarship dollars will be awarded to the winners. To enroll in one of our art and design majors this fall, more information is available at harcum.edu/2021 contest. We're back on Bears Beat to learn more about the restoration of the legendary Harcum murals. We're talking with visual artist and educator Dave Walsh to learn why he is helping to restore the murals and what kind of tasks are involved.
The thing that immediately struck me was how interesting it was as a time capsule of social events over the last, 30 or 40 years. The social and political unrest that we see in our world today is reflected in the history of these murals. What we're trying to do with the murals is to restore them back to their condition by removing mold, rebuilding the structures that hold the murals, the framework, so that we can preserve them for the future.
That does it for this edition. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us next time right here on Bears Beat.